Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heidi, and on this video I'm going to do an unboxing. I got a package today and I know where it's from. It's from Tiffany & Co. I placed an order and I have to say I'm really happy with just how fast the shipping was. It got here in a couple of days. I ordered this on I want to say Wednesday, and today is Friday and it's here. So that was pretty fast. But yeah, I'm gonna start opening it. It's a really nice box. It says Tiffany & Co. And this is the box. They put the little shopping bag, really cute. And then there's a receipt in here. This is the cute little box that it came with. I ordered these. This is what I ordered. And this is like a heart-shaped, olive heart-shaped stud earrings in yellow gold. And I have been having my eye on these earrings for the longest time, and I finally decided to go ahead and pull the trigger and get them because it's my birthday, and yeah, I might as well splurge a little bit. But they're super cute. I think they are going to be perfect for like every day. Right now I have like these sterling silver balls from Tiffany & Co. as well, but I'm going to switch over so you guys can see how it looks. It looks like a nice decent size. Now when it comes to stud rings, I always am considerate with just all the piercings that I have on my ear. As you can see on this ear and on this ear, I have several piercings, and anytime I love to wear earrings. I've always have, always will be, but I always take under consideration the other ear piercings that I have, like if it's going to look nice, you know, like I always do that, and this really like checked on everything. So that's it. I put them on. Let me see how they look. It looks really nice. It's like perfect for everyday wear them. Since it's gold, I feel comfortable like showering with them, sleeping with them, and they're really comfortable. And I like that they are big. I like that the earrings are big, but they're not, you know, like big enough to where it's going to interrupt my second piercing. Like you can still see the earring here on the second, and it's like it's big, it covers a lot of space but not too much, and it just looks really nice. Like the little heart there, it's super nice. But yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. I am happy that I finally went ahead and pulled the trigger and got these. I feel like I've earned it, and yeah, it just looks really nice. And yeah, that completes my Tiffany & Co. unboxing. I still have one other pair of earrings. They are like some pearl earrings. Hopefully they'll be here by Monday, but I couldn't wait for it. I just wanted to start wearing these. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!